Hello all, this is the end of the virtual project Stratvision Plus. And with this video, I want to thank all participants for participating in our virtual project at UCLL this spring. So we started the 14th of February until yesterday, the 15th of March, with 48 students from different countries all over the world, from Belgium, Canada, Brazil, Guatemala, Poland, Russia, and Kazakhstan. And they were participating in a business game. The business game is called Stratvision Plus, and in this game they were operating with their simulated cell phone company in the Mobiland market, a simulated market. They played this business game in 3 different rounds, and each round represents a new fiscal year. Students learn to make business decisions, for example, price strategy. They defined their strategy and target groups. They made decisions on investments, and they made a financial plan for each year. They learned also to interpret and even to draw up annual accounts like balance sheets and income statements. During the final presentations, they presented their company, explained their strategy and results over the years, and tried to convince some possible investors. It was a pleasure to coach you during this game, and I wish you all good luck for your future plans. So I will announce you now once again the winning teams. We have a winning team defined by the most healthy company. The business game is calculated a company health index, and here you see the team 4 pair was the winner for company health. So this team is our winner in the business game. But we also have another team that was convincing the most during the presentations, and that was to each their phone. Here you also see the ranking of the different teams in convincing our possible investors. Now, dear students, you will see in the coming week I will process all the information what I have from you, ranging from assessments of your performances, of your assignments, to checking your attendances based on the logbook. And based on that information, I will check whether you will receive the certificate and online badge of your participation. So I need to go to some administrative processes before we can send you the certificates and badges. So please be patient, but know that they are coming your way if you meet the criteria. Thank you for participating once again, and hope to see you in the future. I wish you all good luck for your future plans. Bye.